Hi everyone, I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. Here we have a place candidate called Varun. So Varun, can you share your experience in PySpiders?
Like I am Varun, like I am from Bangalore only. Like I am completed my computer science engineering college in Krishna College, and I joined in the past 20 years 2024. I joined PySpiders in May month, and I attend for weekend batches for SQL, which was taken by the Vatsal sir. And after that, I come for the present course, which is taken by Vijay sir. In the morning batches, Umesh and sir took us the web technology, and Django is ongoing for us.
So in the institute, what did you learn and what and all some activities you have done in the institute? What did you do to get placed or something?
And bootcamp has helped for many times, and we get the confidence from that, and doing presentations. It's useful to crack the interviews and all.
So before going to actual interview, we were conducting some interviews. How was that involved?
You are conducting like mock interviews, face-to-face interviews, and like in company what they ask you that and all. We can get confident from us and no fears for in another companies where we go and all.
So now, congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.